Here, if you want to change it here, or you can change there also, not an issue. I'm showing both the ways.
Version.
Okay,
Okay.
version.
Version.
You can keep it our version. Okay,
Yeah.
our version is U20, right? Period is 2020. This one consolidation chart of accounts is Y1. Okay, I'm continue. Import consolidation master data. Okay, you can download consolidation structure or okay, how you want. So because if you want master data, you can download, or you can if you want to download template, however you want. Okay. Now this one we did manually. We created a group structure and then we updated. Okay. Even
Yeah.
consolidation units also we individually we created and I shown you. Okay. Suppose tomorrow if your implementation, because we created only 5 consolidation units here. Okay. Tomorrow
Yeah.
in real time scenario you may have hundreds. That each
Yeah.
and every consolidation unit creating, that is not possible individually. It is
Yeah.
time consuming. Okay. That time what you
Yeah.
have to do, just download this template. Okay. Download this template. So see here, which consolidation version. Okay. Which version you created, that version. If you drill down, no, here you will get when we are creating versions, no. So if our version also is available here, U20, right? Select then from effective from which year to. So effect is when this format you have to update this.
Yeah.
YYYPPP period. So you
Okay.
can update 2020-01. Okay.
Perfect.
Now
Yeah.
language English.
So you don't
Okay.
get the
Then
consolidation ledger, no?
no. Ledger is not required here. Okay. I think if you observe now, when we are creating consolidation unit, it is not asked anywhere ledger, right?
Okay.
Only while creating version it was asked ledger.
Yeah.
Right, first step. While
Okay.
creating consolidation in it, it is not asked. Even while creating, you mean version, right?
Consolidation
Yeah, version.
ledger. Yeah.
Ledger. Ledger, it won't. Ledger, it won't ask.
Okay.
Version is important. Version is important. Okay, that is what we are selecting here. Version. Okay, then you can update your consolidation unit here. Consolidation unit description. It is maximum 15 characteristics. Here is a concept medium description, long description, local currency. Which local currency is yours? This is wherever star is there, right? That is mandatory. Okay.
Mandatory.
Mandatory. That you have to update that local currency mandatory. Okay. Then country, this is optional. Consolidation unit partner, this is also optional. Currency translation method, which translation method is required? This is not mandatory at the moment. Tomorrow, if you want this currency translation, you have to update. Okay. And
Okay.
tax rate, which tax rate? If your physical variant is deviating from group reporting, then you have to update here which physical variant you want. We have everything. So drill down. Okay, you have option whether it is which physical year you want, so that you can select it. Okay, if universal journal integration is required or not, no integration. If you want integration, that consolidation it is having integration with FI, then you have to update yes H. If no integration, non-SAP, you can just update no integration. Then group currency, what is group currency? That one. Okay,
So
yes or
euro.
no? Source of local currency. Okay,
That is
H.
H. Yeah.
Yes. Source of group currency. Okay. I think these field and all it was there, right? When we creating consolidation unit, if you observe, right? These fields are
Yeah.
there. These all fields we updated there individually, right? Those
Okay.
fields only is there in this template,
But
right?
is there any way
Uh,
that if some fields if we don't require, like
we leave it
if any
blank. Leave it.
column, leave it blank. Okay.
So this entire template, local currency is the required. Rest of all is not required. Okay. This is mandatory. If you see here, star mark is there, right?
Yeah. Local currency.
Yeah. This is required.
So if we don't need any column, we can still leave blank. We
Leave
don't
it blank. Download this master data. Okay.
for FS items. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm downloading with values also. Okay. So I'm because we don't have any FS items. We are not created any FS items to download with this version. This version
Okay.
we created. Okay. We keep it standard version. Standard version is Y10. Okay. We can
Okay.
download that one.
So this is the FS item master data or FS item
Yes.
mapping.
FS item must. Yes. Master data. FS items master data.
FS item master data. Okay.
So I'm downloading. Okay.
So downloading the template.
template with the data also. SAP data, standard data. SAP provided data also. Okay, if you want, we can take this one. Otherwise, we can create our own FS items and everything. Okay, if you there is two options.
So SAP is provided the.
Yeah, SAP is given with master data.
Okay, and
They
SAP is
given
given
template
the
also.
template as.
Whatever you want, you can download. You can do. Okay,
So
this
template will be completely blank. You mean to.
yes, yes. Better always now you can download with master data in real time scenario. Okay.
Yeah.
You can keep it. So most of them, see, I will, this is, see, our most of the implementation time take this one only. Most of the time, this preparing this FS item. If you complete this one, your 50% work is done in group reporting.
And this one done by business, right?
No, first we have to educate them.
Yeah, means once we download this template and then we can ask them. Yeah,
Correct, correct. Yes.
can ask them that if they can fill these things as per
Yeah.
this template. Yeah.
No, yeah, if you give like this, no, they won't understand. First, you have to explain each and everything, then only then they will do. Okay. That is how I did my previous project. They are
Okay.
new to SAP.
And this financial statement item, that number 10 digit. So are they general ledger?
Yeah, yeah, general ledger. Yes. In group
So
reporting, we call it FS items. Okay.
that's a
In FI,
dollar
we call
hundred.
it a GL account. Okay.
Yes, a dollar 100,000 or dollar. Okay.
This is statistical items. Okay.
The
First
master
column, this is
data.
FS
Yeah.
item.
Yeah. So this.
Okay. This is the description, FS item description.
Yeah.
This is
Statistical
uh,
this.
medium description, again long description. This is FS item type. FS item
Oh,
types, we have these many types: asset to liability, income and
mm,
expenditure, reporting item, statistical item. Okay.
okay.
Total 6 type of FS items we have. Okay, FS item types. Okay,
Yeah.
these reporting items, you know, this asset is, expense, income, liability and equity, right? This reporting item we used to use for cash flow statement. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is for specifically for cash flow statement. Okay, or comprehensive income statement. So while preparing these reporting rules is required. This reporting item FSF type. Okay,
Yeah.
then the statistical also we required. If you need any reporting in statistical, no, for that time we need statistical items. Okay,
Perfect.
all statistical items starts with a dollar. Okay, only this account we are using for group sharing. Okay, S001.
Okay. And this is the predefined by SAP. Yeah.
SAP, yes. Generally, real time also better. What you have to do, no? You take this, download the template. You explain all the, see, most of whatever the business is required. All FS items they given here. Okay,
Yeah.
with the description also we have. You have to tell them most of 90% it will cover whatever you are given a 95% these FS items. Okay. Maybe description may be more or less it will be same. Okay. Maybe
But
you
I
if
have
you
one. Sorry, I have one question.
mm,
This facing FS items are GL accounts, right? So they each individual entity must be using the different GL account, right?
where in FI, right?
This one we have
This one.
downloaded as a FS item, right? But
mm,
we have last time we made that consolidation unit, right? For the Europe, Switzerland, France, America.
mm.
So this FS item will for the world or for the Europe or the
Yeah, these FI items is at world,
at
whatever
world,
we create. Yeah, these FS items. Okay.
because then the questions will come, right? Because if it
Mm,
is world,
mm,
then we need to send this template to the each group, right? Like Europe
mm.
group and the American group, right?
Yeah, yeah. So, so at World Group, yeah, World Group, America Group, or Europe Group, same FS item. Okay.
So they all will be using the same FS item.
They have to use the same FS item. Otherwise, how we can consolidate? If each group have different FS items, no, we cannot create
So
each.
then
Yeah,
they have to map. Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah, sorry.
yeah, no problem,
So
no problem.
so then they have to map as per each legal entity, like local chart of account, to mapped to the group chart of account, right?
Correct.
So if they say if
Yep.
I had made the 100,000 as a bank account, and in FS item it's saying that 1110,000 is your bank account as an FS item. So I have to map that item 100,000 to the FS item, right?
Yes, yes. This is the FS item. Let me complete. Yeah, I think your doubt will clear. Let me explain this one. This is
Sure, sure.
FS item. These FS items we are using for group reporting. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That I
Then
got
we
it.
have, yeah, okay. Then we have GL accounts. Okay.
That will be as per each legal entity, right?
Yes.
Like in a finance, it's like a company code. So company code they're using the GL and
Yeah, this is the GL account. Okay. So here we are mapping GL account. This is our chart of accounts. FI side chart of accounts. This one. Okay.
is this from your company, from the project?
No, no, this is standard template. Okay, SAP is provided this one. Okay.
Okay, so the template which we just download, is this the one or
No, that is different. That is only for FS items template.
okay, okay.
Okay. This is where we are mapping GL account to FS items. These GL accounts is from FI GL accounts. Okay. These GL accounts we are mapping to group reporting FS items.
So this is not the master data. This is FS item mapping is different than that.
Correct. Yeah, yeah. We
Oh,
call it all. This also is master data. FS item also is master data. This also is master data. All these activities we are doing in master data is related to master data.
okay.
Okay.
So you're merging the two different template, yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Or you just download the FS item and it will come with this template.
yeah. So
Oh,
these no,
perfect, perfect.
yeah, FS, yeah, and FI no, FI system. Each there we have a account group, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Account group as per income, expense,
Uh,
asset, liability.
So here we have assets and liability FS item type. So those FS items here we are GL accounts we are mapping into FS items. Okay.
Now this activity will be done by each individual entity, right?
So each entity it won't be separate GL accounts. So all the entities with the GL accounts will be the same, right? In FI, so generally you won't create a separate GL accounts for entity wise, right?
No, if like last time we said that this is the Europe have the France, Germany, and the Switzerland. So they must be using the GL accounts as per their local requirement as well. Say if they have created like for the VAT purpose, right? So VAT purpose is they might have 19%, 5%, 0%. So they might have created few more GL accounts as per their requirement,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but in FS item we are taking as like the group. So on addition whatever they created their GL accounts, so they that should be also mapping into the FS item, right?
Yes, that means you are saying that a ledger, right? A leading ledger, non-leading ledger. One is for
Yeah, yes,
IFRS,
yes.
another one is IGAP, right? So
Yeah,
there may
yeah,
be GL accounts may be different, right? Few GL
yeah.
accounts, right?
Few GL, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
For
yeah. That
local
GL
requirement.
account, yes, for local requirement. Those GL accounts again you are changing here. Okay, so you are mapping again. Okay, that time you have to create two versions. Okay, ledger is
Mhm.
one is for IGAP, one is for IFRS. Okay,
Yep,
only first while creating version now there we have version, then physical year variant, group currency, then ledger. Then we have special periods, special versions, right? If you keep
yeah.
it special version as it is, no need to do again configuration for each and everything. Once if you change this FST mapping, if you upload no, then just you have to again you have to do uploading data collection. If you do running task for individual IGAP and IFRS, then you will get the reporting.
So this GL account, right? Each year just
Let me one GL account, one FST I filter.
so this GL account did they saying that
See,
for which entity?
entity it is not come chart of account level. Okay, and it not
Okay, okay. So
separate entity wise.
okay.
It a chart of account level. Okay.
So their entity, must be using the local chart of account, but and the assigning with the group chart of account as well.
No, no, no. This one is FI chart of accounts. This chart of account, Y1 is our group reporting chart of account, consolidation chart of
Yeah.
account.
Okay.
This YCOA is FI chart of accounts.
Okay. So all the entity, right, who had
Hmm.
assigned the YCOA, so only that data will come here. All that GL
Correct,
accounts.
correct, correct.
Yes. So this report is
So,
not as per the entity. It's report as per the chart of account YCOA.
correct.
Okay.
Generally,
Oh,
group reporting we won't do individual, right? Company. So, group reporting is for at group level, right?
yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So if you see here, one FS item, we are mapped multiple GL accounts. Okay, here if you see here, trade and
I got.
no trade, GV, we taken trade receivables and
I got my answer.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, I got the answer. Yeah, that's the question I was asking. That if they've created the five different GL account, but we can assign to the one FS item.
This is one
Perfect.
method. Okay, SAP is suggested this one. Okay. If you want tomorrow, you can use the same GL accounts here also, one-to-one mapping. For if you use group reporting also, same GLs, no, there is a no
Yeah.
problem. You got it?
Okay.
Generally, when business is comparing data, FI and group reporting data, okay, so some users they won't find any issues because they are aware. So we are mapped. So these GL accounts to this FS item. This GFS item is some of these GL accounts data they can understand. Some users they won't understand why this GL account have this much value, why this FS item have this much value, where it is gone. Like that they may ask.
Okay.
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 That generally that question it will come. If you drill down
Yeah.
this one, FS item with the GL accounts, no, again you can see this GL account information. Okay. We have option while reports, no, if you drill down this FS item little bit down, you can see this GL account, then again each GL account value also you can see. Then we'll come to this later. Okay. This FS item, this is a major. Okay.
Master data.
Master data. Yeah. So let me now you take it only here. Assets and liabilities. Okay. These
Okay.
are the FS item with a description. We have this one is a breakdown category. Right side, this all whatever is there, right? Column this we call it as attributes. FS item attributes. Okay. This and all attributes. Okay. You got it.
Sorry,
Attributes. FS item
attributes.
attributes.
This description.
Yes, yeah, yeah. FS document type is one attribute. Breakdown category is one attribute. Okay.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Data collection is one attribute. Currency translation is one attribute. FS item. Okay. Elimination selection is one attribute. Cash flow selection is one attribute. Okay. Scope of selection is one attribute. Elimination
Okay.
target is one attribute. Non-controlling
Okay.
interest is one attribute. Okay. So
Okay.
here we are defining each and everything.
Yeah.
So suppose I have cash on hand. Okay, cash on hand. I'm giving here, this is my FS item. This is the description. This is my transaction type, FS item type. This is my
Mhm.
asset. This is my breakdown category. Okay.
Okay.
So this breakdown category, if you go no, see 1B00, right?
1B00. Yeah.
See,
That is
if you select, yeah,
1B00.
cash and land 1B00. Okay. Basically, this breakdown, what it say, what it know, this is sub item. Okay, sub item. This breakdown will define again sub items. All transaction type. Okay, transaction type. Okay, transaction type we are using for cash flow statement. Okay,
Okay, so
which
that
transaction
transaction
type?
type 915 is for cash on hand. What is
Based on this, now we can preparing using this transaction type. We are using a cash flow statement. Okay.
cash flow
Then
state?
for transaction type, breakdown category includes sub items. Sometimes have two types. One is a transaction type, another one is a functional. Okay, functional type, functional area. That means that all that functional type we are using for P&L account. Transaction type for balance sheet items. Then
Okay.
again, we have two categories. Category one we are using for balance sheet items. Category two we are using for P&L account. This breakdown category. I will show you this one.
One for balance sheet, second for profit and loss.
Profit and loss. See this breakdown category. Okay, if you select this breakdown 1B00, so period is acquisition of period is no breakdown. Okay, 0 means no breakdown. Okay, if you select one optional breakdown, okay, whatever the initial value it will allows. Okay, if you select two is a required breakdown.
But these are the required configuration we have to do.
Yes. No, based on that, our breakdown, okay, if three selects, no, required breakdown, entry is forced, okay. Whatever, no, again, if you have validation substitutions, if you put, no, by default it will come, okay. Then 4 is required breakdown. You have to enter this one, required breakdown, okay. So 1B00, sub-item category 3 is required. Okay, so we have partner unit. Partner unit is required or not for 1B00. We kept blank. Okay, if you keep blank also, it will take. Okay, then transaction currency is we kept blank. That is optional. Unit of measure also optional. Sub-item category is required category. Okay,
So that's why I put three. Okay.
so we kept fixed value is one, this one. So by default, this is balance sheet item. Okay, 1B00 is balance sheet asset, right?
Yeah.
This is asset. So one is by default it will come. This is fixed one category. It will come one. Okay. This is sub item two required breakdown. If blank default is blank. Okay. This is category. This is sub item. Okay. Acquisition year required. No breakdown. There is no breakdown on this one. If you see,
Okay.
if you go any P&L account, so here see one more also one wherever one is there, no one starting with one, all those and all for balance sheet breakdown categories. Okay,
Okay.
starting with 1B00. 2 means that is a P&L account. Okay,
Profit.
let me.
Okay.
Yeah. In previous class, we created a company code as TA21, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We created and for that we created GL account also.
Yeah. As per FS
Okay,
item. Yeah.
for assigning FS item. Now, for to load data from AC docket from FI to group reporting, we have to create one company code. In general, no real
Mm-hmm.
scenario, FI team will create the company codes in FI side. We create the same in group
Yeah.
reporting consolidation units. Okay. Now here in
Okay.
training session, we have to create both. Okay, for
Okay.
training purpose. Okay. I created a 21, TA21 now, TA21 company code. So we created here, okay, company
Yeah.
we created and company code also we created. One thing you have to in real time, no, tomorrow generally this will do. So when your created company code, so I also created here in group reporting also TA21.
The unit.
Yeah, consolidation
Okay.
unit. Now see here I selected this button transfer from universal journal. This is most important. Okay. See now this one is enabled. Okay. Now I can change it or I can change it. It is enabled. So if you want to enable this one, no, yeah, in backend you have to assign company to company code. Otherwise, it won't.
Sorry, can you show me again? I tried there, but it was showing no
Mm.
integration only.
Yeah. It is now both are enabled, right? Earlier, it only no integration
No
was
integration.
only enabled. This one is disabled. Got it? After
That,
assigning here company to company code,
uh,
here assignments are there, right?
so if that the group, right, have like
Hmm.
say they have the UK group and they have
Uh,
12 consolidation unit. So all that 12 consolidation unit should be assigned to that company.
Now we define company, we define company code, right?
So like we have
So
a TA20, right, FR20. So they all need to be assigned to that company.
no, if those company codes are in FI, then we have to assign. Now, for a testing purpose, I created only one company code here, then assign to load data. Okay. In real scenario, generally, FI team they will create and they will assign a company as well as company code. Okay. Once they do, here we have to do this assignment is most important. This assign company code to company. Okay.
Okay, so that only the G, okay, whatever the company code, they have to assign to that company, and if you're not, then they will not allow you to enable here.
See this button, it won't be enabled. This button, it will be disabled if you are not assigned this one. This is
So,
the
but
linkage.
later on, can we, before we did the consolidation unit, so now if I create the another company code like FR20, okay, and
Mm, mm,
assign to that company FR20,
mm,
then if I go to the consolidation unit,
mm.
they will allow me to amend that no
Yeah, yeah.
integration to the, so they will allow to the edit one, yeah.
If you want to integrate with the Universal Journal, you have to do this configuration. Otherwise, that will be disabled. Okay. This is important. Okay. If you
So
want
if it is
to,
not, then you can't.
if non-SAP company code, don't need to do anything here directly. That no integration it will come.
No integration will come.
If there is a non-SAP company code, generally no integration. We will select this one. Okay.
And you know about there is a fiscal year period that it's saying 001 2020. You know the working with the
Mm,
period 2020, right?
mm,
And
mm.
in that real scenario, if they have mentioned that it should be like start with 12 2021. So will it make
Any
any
period,
difference?
what period, that again depends on business. Okay. You can start any period. Okay.
Could be any period, yeah.
Yeah. See here one more observation. If I select no integration, this local currency and group currency is disabled, right? If we select this one, it will enable this one. Enables. Okay. So now I enable this one. I see what I did is I created a company code. Then I assigned a company to company code. Okay. Now I posted two entries. Okay. Let me share you that entries. Okay. If you want, we can post a few more entries also. AC Docker. My company code is TA21. Okay. So these are the entry I posted. Okay.
So these are the
With
entry you posted, yeah.
this is the GL account. This is petty cash 1001300. Okay. This is debit. Two entries. One is if you come now. See, ledger is OL. Okay, leading ledger. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can hear.
Lead. My physical year period is 2020. This is the document number 001.
So you posted today or last week?
I posted Monday, I think. I got that sometime Monday, then I posted that one. No, we'll post today also one entries
Yeah,
for.
yeah.
I
No problem.
tested how it works now, so that's what. So then we can save some time. That's what.
No, no, good, good. You know, in the this my work laptop, I tried to edit into that consolidation unit from no integration to the transfer from universal ledger, but now it's not allowing me to save. By just clicking on non-integration, then it allowing you to save.
Your issues will see one by one, I think. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now FB50 will post few entries. Okay. Now already one entry is there. Now we can post with today date. Okay. Because we opened period 2020 January, so that's what we can post there only.
But you know, you said you posted before, right?
Yeah, yeah, I posted. So
Yeah,
that,
so then that means it's done.
yeah, yeah,
Or
not
unless
here.
some,
Yeah,
or unless
this
someone
also
have deleted.
number range also. I created that one. I think they put mandatory profit center here. So
We can remove that thing. That if you just go financial accounting, general ledger, you know, where we just document splitting one. No, this is in enterprise structure. You need to go scroll down. Business transaction, document splitting. If you can go down to define document splitting or general ledger accounting. One step down, down,
this
down.
one.
If you no down. Document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. Okay. Now if you can untick the mandatory part, the right hand side.
Now we can extract this data into AC docu. Okay. First we have to go. Let us show you now.
Yeah.
Now this is our AC doc A. This one is AC docu. So 0L we don't say any. Let's say like all 1Z. Version is posting. This all is some different entities. Okay. Version
So that
currency
means someone
local.
have already posted or
Yeah,
transferred.
yeah, some, yeah, yeah. See, that version is different here. Okay, Our version is U20. Okay.
Yeah,
Year
yeah.
Z20. Okay. This version is, see, zero
Is
entries. Okay.
it's yes. Okay.
Now we can extract data. For extracting data, here we have to go consult data collection. Okay, the tab. Till now we worked this one. Okay, consolidation master data. We worked this app. Okay, for
Yeah,
master
yeah.
data and all we worked on this app. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to go to
Data
consolidation
collection.
data collection.
That is group reporting data collection or
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Group report.
so it's just about the consolidation settings. You can see on left hand side, if we can see consolidation setting and above it's manage package. So that's not the group reporting data.
See, your consolidation data preparations is there, right? This one
Consolidation
data
data.
consolidation preparation, this is consolidation process. After this one we have to go. Okay, now we'll go for consolidation data preparation. Okay, consolidation
Consolidation
data preparation, these are the
data
tiles. Yeah. Now we have
preparation.
to, so first to check our global parameters. Our global parameter, this period we have data. So this period we are supposed to extract data. Huh? Okay, continue.
Okay.
Go to data monitor. See, now these are our company codes or consolidation units. Okay.
Yep.
This one we created T21, TA21. Okay. So earlier when we created only these five. Now I added this one. Okay. TA21. This group, I added this consolidation unit. Okay. You know, right, how to add a consolidation unit under the group,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
So now you see here, release universal journal. So all is showing is a blank CA20 or FR20 because all are
It's not
non-SAP company code. Okay, this is only SAP company code. That is why here showing as this mark. We have to perform this task.
release.
If
Okay.
non-SAP, it will show this one is a blank.
Okay.
Okay. See
Yep.
here, release universal journal. So we have to release only this one. So rest of all is a non-SAP component. That is why here we have data collection, milestone data collection. So these and all we have to load through flat file. Okay. This one, TR21, we have both the options. We can release universal journal, we can load here also. If you want to upload any flat file data here, we can upload this one. Okay. Now we can go for here. Okay. Right click. First we'll do test run. Okay. See, my consolidation chart of accounts is Y1. My version is U20. Period is 1. Physical year 2020. Okay.
Yeah.
Test. Just I'm checking here. Okay. Universal document. Okay. Here you can see status is green. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, the green one.
Green one. Consolidation is 20, 21. Version is U21. Period is 1. See here total documents is updated documents is 4. Okay. So here only one document it will come. Let me release now. Okay. We tested now. Let us
Yeah.
do real time. Okay. Release the document.
Okay.
Go to right click,
Yeah.
update,
Right click update. Yeah.
release universal. I'm releasing. Okay. Do you want continue release of universal documents? Continue. Okay. See, replicate process successfully finished.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Earlier is only four documents was updated. Now you can see it is clubbed two. Okay. We'll go to here. Here document is entirely different here. This is group reporting document
Number
number.
register.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Only one document number is created here. If you see AC docket, there are two documents, document one, document two. Here only one document is created, one document. Only, yeah, one is inventory account, okay? See here, total is club 1,500, debit and
Debit.
1,000, yeah, credit.
Yeah.
This is how it will come, okay, data. Let me, yeah, if you add here, there is one option, this blank and all we can hide it.
Yeah, yeah. That you can just go back and just untick that fields, you know.
No, no. Here only that we have option.
So you can change the layout.
There is one table SE 16N. Okay, there we can
Yeah.
16N now. Ah, okay, this one. Okay, 16N SE 16N. Okay, SE
Yeah.
16N table.
Yeah.
If we
Now you
execute
can.
this one, we will get this like this. This blanks and all it will go. We have this one. Here, see here, show hide empty columns. You can see, right? Show hide empty.
Yeah.
If I did, then everything it will go. Okay. We can sum up. So this is the value, right? Final value. So in the AC docu also we can see the same. So one is working this one. Group reporting. We don't know. U20. Our version is U20. Okay.
Yeah.
Two entries. So we can hide it. We can see here
Yeah.
only one document is there. Okay. There two documents we have. Here only one document.
One
Group
document.
reporting doc. Only one GL account. So here net amount we can see here. So now AC doc and AC doc is reconciling, right? We don't see any
Yeah.
issues. That is how. So this is the BPC and other system. No, that here we can see real time. In a group BPC, we have to load data to ECC to BW, BW to BPC.
And this one,
So
it's a month end activity, right?
yes, this is month end activity. However, we want. If they want a daily load, we can schedule the loads. Okay.
Just have to release one test and then again you have to release.
Correct. We can do schedules also. So now once we release it, see here tick mark came. Okay. If any errors comes now, this will get error mark. Okay. All the tasks,
Mhm.
then your overall task it will come green. Okay. This is how we have to release the data from universal document to. Once that is done, then we have to do non-SAP company codes. Okay. There is a issue when a CSV file, okay, when uploading, I'm getting issue. So that's what there is two methods we can upload. One is CSV or text tab delimited. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. SRD1 and D2.
Yes. This is a text tab delimited SRD1. Okay.
D1. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. SRD2 is a CSV file. Okay. Some issue CSV for this one. Excel, I don't know. That's what I
Yeah.
changed. Okay. Now we'll go for I tested. Okay. So it is working fine before coming. So I don't want to waste the time. That's what I tested. Okay. It is working fine. I will show you again. Okay. So we will get like this. So yesterday, as we discussed, right? So if real time, that means if FI S4 HANA, if you have any consolidation in it, we will get okay. So TA21 we created in FI, so we got here that one. Okay, here we
Yeah. Yeah.
extracted data from AC doc A to AC doc Q. This
Yeah.
all five are non-SAP. Okay, so that's what we got here data collection. See, sometimes these tasks it won't be available. Okay, that
Okay.
time what you have to do. This is a standard monitor. What monitor? So ours is Y10 monitor. Okay. Now whatever is there, this task it came. Sometimes if this data collection is not there, no, then we have to add here. Go to new entries. Okay.
Okay.
Select the task. What task you want? So here you can see 1020, right? So others also. Tomorrow, if you want any other task, no, just here select it.
Okay. In that data monitor. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh,
If you
okay.
backend,
Great.
you have to do this one configuration, then only you will get into data monitor. Okay, that
Okay.
task. Then order also, which order you want. Then you have to keep in that order position 10, 15, 20 like that. You have to keep in that order. Then only it will come in this. Okay,
Okay.
this order.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, now you got it right. If suppose if you need tomorrow, if business want any some other task, you can
Other
add it
task.
here. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, okay.
This is our version U20.
Yes, U20
Okay.
version. Yeah. Do you have any questions as of now? This layout and all how it is coming. Suppose tomorrow business wants some task how to add, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we can first we'll test it, okay. Once test is success, we can load real time. See here we have this one test. If you
Test.
do test load, no, the data it won't be not update into AC doc queue. Okay. Once we update, then only it will update into table. Okay.
Yeah.
This last log we can see the log. If you want to execute this loading in background, you have to execute in background. Okay.
Yeah.
with selections you can, okay, test with the
Yeah.
original list or background, okay. We can schedule also our this one loadings, okay. Generally this uploading, we won't schedule, we have to do manually, okay.
Okay.
Only these we can schedule, and others once this net calculation, net income, reported data validation, we can automate, okay, we execute background. Generally, no, in my project also, what they're doing is generally they are doing manually, okay. They are not
Okay.
executed jobs in background. Generally in BPC, because there we schedule the process chain, right? Through from
Yeah.
ECC to BW, BW to BPC. Group reporting also we have option. So if tomorrow if anyone business asks, do we have option? Yes, we have option. We can do this background execute jobs. Okay. Yeah,
And
this is option.
what's the difference in this data collection and that GRDC? Both same or?
GRDC, so the full name is Group Reporting Data Collection. Okay,
Yeah.
GRDC.
And this data
So,
collection is different
yeah, around 6 methods are there. Group data
in that
collection,
GR.
GRDC. Okay.
Okay.
One
Okay.
is we can extract data real-time universal journal. This is one. This is
Yeah.
another one. Uploading data through
Yeah.
the flat file. Okay.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
are all data collection. Another one is API. Okay.
Yeah.
Through API. So another one is GRDC through cloud. So that for that, no, we have to get the license from SAP. Okay. There is separate, see, I will show you that one, GRDC, whether it is there or not. If we have that one only, connection only, we can see the task. Let me show you whether it is there or not. Group
It's
reporting data.
saying
Yeah.
data
See,
collection.
see, see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Group reporting. We call it short name is GRDC. Okay.
BC. Yeah.
Group
Yeah.
data collection. Okay. If you go
Yeah.
this one, these are the managed packages, enter package, define data mapping, run data mapping. When once there is a backend, first to do this one, first we have to get a license from SAP. Okay, cloud license we have to get. Okay, there we have to enable BTP,
BTP. Yes.
yeah, BTP, business transformation, BTP package, I think. Okay,
Yeah.
program, business transformation package, some is program. Okay,
Yeah.
for that
Yes.
we have to connect from other system to through cloud. Okay, that we need some technique, BTP consultant help is required.
Then only
Okay,
this four will work.
yes,
So
yes, otherwise it won't work.
at the moment this four will not work.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
because if you click this one, it will show you the error. I did click
not
last
found.
time.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Okay, already you did. Okay, so yeah, enter package data. See,
Yeah.
again now we have to map, like I think you know idea, you have idea, right? In a in BPC, when we are loading from BW to BPC, we are mapping, right? From
Yeah.
source to target. Like that here also you have to map data. Okay, define data mapping. We have to define the mappings. Once
Yeah. Yeah.
then mapping is done, we have to run data mapping. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
that all some that is one time job is there. Once after do this, no, that BTP, that GRDC, it will work. So in this system we cannot test this scenario because there's supposed to be live system, cloud have to connect, otherwise we cannot do. Okay,
Okay.
I think this is your first question when we start the session first day, right?
Yes. 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 So that data collection in data monitor is different than this group reporting data collection.
Co- correct, yes.
My
Uh, uh,
project they have the same view that because we got the license of group reporting and in their data collection is already there.
okay, is the cloud
So
connection already they have got
no, no,
license for
no,
this one? Oh,
no.
ah,
Group reporting only. You know what you just shown
okay,
in the data monitor. We have the
ah,
data collection, so they think that
okay.
from there it can work on the GRDC,
No, for
but
this
not
one to work this one, no, we have to get separate. They have to get the connection,
BTP.
BTP and
BTP.
all. They have to get the. Yeah, BTP connection and all that, and a cloud connect. You have to cloud connect with the cloud. This one.
Yeah, so without license they can't.
Yes, yes, yes. And there will be extra cost also to client to
Yeah,
enable
okay,
this one.
okay.
Okay. So if it is so in your source, how many sources is the data?
The source is at the moment currently we are extracting from ECC6 only
Okay.
because this is as per HANA Finance implementations. So they just
So
pulled
this
me
is our
from this CFIN to this only because of group reporting.
so
Yeah.
we are going to test now. First test load. Okay. You have to select first initial. Once we select SRT, by default it will come. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to
Yeah.
select this one, LC1. Okay. This is
Yeah.
okay. Let us see. We got some error. Okay. What is the character? Profit center contains invalid value. Okay. Profit center contains invalid value. Okay. So we don't want profit centers now. Okay.
So can we delete that the which we just upload
This one?
or it no no the
No,
which
this one we uploaded. We ended up with these errors. Okay. No need to delete. We are not
okay.
loaded into that table, right? Just we tested. That's it. It won't be any, no problem. No need to delete. Okay.
Last time when I tried to upload that consolidation unit, they just came with that error that no consolidation group been created, but then there is no option to delete that.
Okay. That is in your system, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That we can see that one. Yeah. If you
Okay.
share your screen, that we can see that error. Okay. So here we don't want segment because we are not enabled segment and profit centers. We can delete this one. Okay.
Uh,
Segment, cost center, profit center. Okay. Then we don't want to consolidation ledger. So this one is earlier versions. We have to put this field consolidation ledger. Okay. Now this 2021 ledger version, no need to update this ledger. By default, system will take version. Okay. No need to again update this version here. Okay.